No, I am.
Hi, I'm the Devonshire Idiot, and I'm here today to bring you some gardening tips. We all have unwanted trees in our back garden. Now, obviously, felling them, you have various things you have to think about, but mainly which direction they fall if you're in a confined space. Now, using teamwork, we're going to show you how you can get around that. I'm going to help the tree lean in the correct direction while my colleagues here cut it down, and we'll do a nice safe job of this and basically make sure it falls where we want it to fall.
In the brambles.
Okay. Now, the benefits of doing it this way is it'll alleviate pressure on the saw, so you won't get any more pinching of the saw while halfway through cutting the tree. Obviously a concern for all of us. So, without further ado, let us go.
Let's cut down a tree.
Let's cut down a tree, come on.
Come on, I need to...
There we go. Right, cut down the tree.
Keep going.
Cut down this way. Look.
You gotta get higher.
Hang on, hang on. You gotta cut in that direction so it falls that way.
Would it help?
Right, you start cutting.
You gotta get higher. What about the...
Come on, I thought you were as good at sawing. Come on.
You're going the wrong way. Oh.
You gotta get higher.
Yeah. So you land in the brambles.
Simon, go higher.
I can't!
That's gonna jump down straight on me.
I thought we were reducing pinch.
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
Come on. Come on, Bob, we're almost there, man. Climb higher. Otherwise, you're not going to land in the brambles, man.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, man, I told you we should have. I told you we should. Oh.
And that's how we bring a tree down, people!
In Devon.
That's how we bring a tree down. Now I need to get out of these clothes.
Hey, I'm Safety Nick, and I feel disappointed that Si didn't get hurt, so I'm going to have to go in those brambles. Oh, well flexible.
Oh, I told you it was.
He climbs like a bear.
Like a koala.
That's not going to reach her, I don't think. You'll be alright, that's perfect. You got to push it in the direction. Simon! Oh, hang on a minute, I see a stump. The direction that I'm falling, otherwise I'm not going to fall in the right direction, am I?
Oh, I'm not sticking the eye. Fuck it. Ow. Ah! Okay, Kaylee, you have to...
You're that direction. That direction.
I'm going in that direction.
That's it. All directions! All directions! All
That's how you take a tree down.
Oh my god, that was fucking amazing. Oh, that's brilliant. You look like a really shit scene from Harry Potter, riding the broom. It's like shit. Fucking hot, though.